Hello everyone, today's topic is SQL Server Training. Welcome to GoLogica. Now we discuss about SQL Server Training, roadmap, about course, eligibility criteria, salaries, roles, and responsibilities. Training program. Now we are discussing about the course. SQL Server course is designed to help individuals gain expertise in managing, querying, and optimizing Microsoft SQL Server databases. The course typically starts with an introduction to SQL Server, covering its architecture, different editions, and how it integrates with various applications. Learners are introduced to SQL Server Management Studio, the primary tool for interacting with databases, performing queries, and managing database objects. The course progresses with fundamental database concepts such as tables, relationships, data types, and schemas. Participants learn how to write SQL queries using Transact-SQL and T-SQL, beginning with simple select statements and advancing to filtering, sorting, and joining multiple tables. The course covers aggregate functions such as sum, count, and AVG, as well as subqueries and common table expressions for complex data retrieval. Advanced topics include stored procedures, triggers, views, and indexing strategies to enhance performance. Participants also explore database design principles, normalization techniques to minimize redundancy, and constraints to enforce data integrity. This delves into SQL Server administration, teaching backup and recovery strategies, user authentication, security configurations, and performance monitoring using execution plans and SQL Profiler. For those interested in business intelligence and data analysis, the course covers SQL Server reporting services, integration services, and analysis services, providing skills to build reports, perform ETL processes, and analyze large data sets. Cloud integration is also introduced, covering SQL Server's capabilities on Microsoft Azure and its role in modern data environments. Now we will learn about the eligibility criteria for SQL Server training. The eligibility criteria for SQL Server training typically include educational background, no strict requirements, but a degree in computer science, IT, or related fields is beneficial. Basic knowledge, familiarity with databases, SQL, and programming concepts is recommended. Next, we know about the salary, roles, and responsibilities of software testing SQL developer, designs, develops, and optimizes SQL queries, stored procedures, and database structures to support application functionality. Typically earns an average salary of $70,000 to $110,000 per year. Database administrator manages database performance, security, backups, and recovery to ensure data integrity and availability. With expertise in database management, can expect to make between $80,000 to $130,000 per year. Data analyst extracts, analyzes, and interprets data from SQL databases to support business decision-making, uses SQL to create reports and dashboards. The salary range is generally around $65,000 to $100,000 per year. Business intelligence developer develops data models, reports, and dashboards using SQL Server reporting services and Power BI. Works on data warehousing and ETL processes. With expertise in BI tools, can earn between $75,000 to $120,000 per year. SQL Server developer specializes in extract, transform, and load processes using SQL Server integration services to manage data migration and transformation. Typically earns $80,000 to $125,000 per year. SQL Server performance tuning expert focuses on optimizing SQL queries, indexing strategies, and database performance troubleshooting, uses tools like SQL Profiler and execution plans, generally makes between $90,000 to $140,000 per year. The last topic is the training program, the GoLogica SQL Server. Training offers comprehensive instruction to help you master database management, development, and administration using Microsoft SQL Server. This course is designed to equip learners with the essential skills required to efficiently manage databases, write complex queries, and optimize database performance. With a hands-on approach, you will gain expertise in creating and managing databases, writing SQL queries, and implementing security measures to ensure data integrity. Throughout the course, you will cover fundamental concepts such as database design, normalization, indexing, and query optimization. You will also learn about writing and executing Transact-SQL queries and creating stored procedures, functions, and triggers. The training includes in-depth knowledge of SQL Server administration, including backup and recovery strategies, performance tuning, and security management. This training is ideal for both beginners and experienced professionals looking to build or advance their careers in database management and SQL development. GoLogica provides flexible learning options, allowing you to complete the course at your convenience while receiving expert guidance from industry professionals. Whether you're starting your career in database management or aiming to enhance your SQL skills, this training prepares you for roles such as SQL developer, database administrator, data analyst, and business intelligence developer. Upon successful completion, you will receive a certification validating your expertise, boosting your career prospects. GoLogica also offers resume building assistance and interview preparation sessions to help you secure job opportunities in SQL Server-related roles. With this training, you will be well prepared to excel in database management and contribute to developing and optimizing high-performance databases.